Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing great. So, welcome back to our EVS class. So, I hope you must have seen the previous session. In the previous session, we have done the recap of all the chapters that we have done till now. जो हमने अब तक सारे chapters कर लिए उनका recap किया था. And also we had discussed about the worksheet. Now we are starting the class. First of all, I am giving you the password of the day, that is HOLOW. Password of the day is HOLOW. HOLLOW, HOLOW. So what is the meaning of HOLOW? HOLOW means empty space inside. अंदर की जो चीज़ है, अंदर से कुछ चीज़ खाली होना, empty space inside. Like this is a bone. So ये empty है अंदर से, इसमें बिल्कुल भी कुछ नहीं है, just inside air only. It is filled with air. Okay. So now first of all tell me what you can see here on the board. So you can see a bird, right? It is a bird. And do you know why I give you this word HOLOW as a password? Because we are starting a new chapter, that is lesson number 5, beautiful world of birds. Beautiful world of birds, and this word is linked with this chapter. Understand? So, firstly, this is a bird. आप सबने birds देखी हैं? And I told you in the third chapter, Animal World, about birds also. Right? I told you that birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. So, you will just listen it carefully that what we are going to learn. Today we are going to learn that what helps birds to fly. हेल्प कैसे करते हैं बर्ड, मतलब कौन सी चीज बर्ड को फ्लाई करने में हेल्प करती है. एंड वी विल लर्न अबाउट द पार्ट्स ऑफ बर्ड. बर्ड के पार्ट्स के बारे में भी हम सीखेंगे. व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन दिस सेशन, पार्ट्स ऑफ बर्ड्स बॉडी, एंड व्हाट वी विल लर्न, व्हाट हेल्प्स birds to fly. What helps birds to fly? Birds को fly करने में कौन सी चीज help करती है? So firstly we will talk about the parts of bird's body. So have a look on this. See, you can see in your book. Now open your book, page number 27. We are going to start this chapter, Beautiful World of Birds, page number 27. In this picture you can see parts of a bird's body. Here I draw a bird. So I am telling you one by one about the parts. First is this. This is a eye. This is a eye. And this is known as beak. This is known as beak. This is eye and this is beak. And then it is a head of bird. This is a head of bird. Now these two are wings. These are wings. And these are flight feathers. These are flight feathers. This is tail. This is tail. And then this is claw. This is claw. C-L-A-W, claw. And this is toe. This is toe. T-O-E, toe. Understand? So these are the parts of a bird's body. These are the parts of a bird's body. So again, first is eye. This is eye, beak, wings, flight feathers which help them to fly, जिसकी वजह से वो fly कर सकते हैं. Tail, toe, claw. Understand? So these are the main parts of a bird's body. Now we will talk about birds. Like birds are found worldwide. Birds are found worldwide. हम जहाँ पर भी जाते हैं वहाँ हम birds देखते हैं. Everywhere birds are found. So birds, like many can run, many can jump also. They can swim. Birds can dive also. See, first birds can fly, birds can run, birds can jump, birds can swim, and birds can dive also. And some of the birds lost their ability to fly. Like I told you in the previous chapter, lesson number 3, animal world, I told you about some birds which cannot fly. Yes, you know the answer. Birds which cannot fly, penguins and ostrich, because they lost their ability to fly. वो उड़ नहीं सकते हैं because their wings are very weak. Because their wings are very weak. So most of the birds can fly in the sky, can run. Okay, children. So we had learned about parts of bird's body. Now I will tell you about like what helps a bird to fly. अब bird किसकी help से fly कर सकते हैं? See in your book it is given like what helps a bird to fly. First of all, all birds have wings and legs. सभी birds के पास wings और legs होती हैं. Okay, and wings help them to fly. Firstly, we are talking about wings. So wings help them to fly. Wings की help से ही they can fly. And birds are the animals that have feathers. सिर्फ birds ही ऐसे animals हैं जिनके पास feathers हैं. Feathers means पंख. Feathers means पंख, जिनकी help से वो fly कर सकते हैं. And bird's body consists a head, trunk. What is trunk? T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Trunk is this part. Okay, जिसके अंदर ट्रंक वो पार्ट है जिसमें हेड और टेल इंक्लूड नहीं होते हैं, एंड दैट पार्ट इज ट्रंक. बर्ड की बॉडी का वो पार्ट क्या होता है? ट्रंक. Birds have wings, birds have flight feathers, birds have tails, toe, claw, beak and eye. Now, what helps a bird to fly? One by one we will learn. I'm erasing it. What was the password? Hollow. What was the password? Hollow. Empty space inside. Empty space inside. Right? Now, firstly, shape. अभी आपने देखी बर्ड की शेप कैसी थी? इस तरह से थी ना? बर्ड की शेप इस तरह से थी. It looks like a boat shape. It's look like a boat shape. So birds looks like a boat. Boat की शेप जैसे दिखते हैं birds, and it aeroplane is also like this. Aeroplane देखा है आपने? Right? सभी ने देखा aeroplane. So aeroplane की शेप भी किससे रिलेटेड होती है? Bird से. Aeroplane की शेप भी किससे रिलेटेड होती है? Bird से. So wings are shaped to create lift. अब शेप की बात कर रहे हैं. बोट शेप होती है, राइट? बोट शेप होती है. एंड जो विंग्स होते हैं, विंग्स को भी इस तरह से क्रिएट किया जाता है जिसकी हेल्प से वो फ्लाई कर सके. विंग्स आर जस्ट शेप टू क्रिएट लिफ्ट. उसको इस तरह से शेप किया जाता है जिसकी वजह से वो फ्लाई कर सके. बर्ड फ्लाई कर सके. So you know aeroplane wings are also modeled after bird wings. birds के wings के बाद aeroplane के wings को मॉडल किया गया था. जब birds को देख के एरोप्लेन के विंग्स बनाए गए थे. जब मॉडल शुरू किया गया किस तरह से एरोप्लेन बनाना है, सो फर्स्टली उन्होंने बर्ड्स के विंग्स को नोटिस किया, देन एयरप्लेन के विंग्स को मॉडल किया, क्रिएट किया. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दैट वाज अबाउट द विंग्स. नाउ आई विल टेल यू अबाउट द बोन्स. ओके, सो birds have hollow bones. Birds have hollow bones. Hollow, that is a password. Hollow and lightweight bones होती हैं, बिल्कुल अंदर से खोखली होती हैं. See, अगर आपके पास, see I have this, अगर मैं इसे थ्रो करूँगी, क्या ये फ्लाई कर सकता है? It cannot fly. But if I am throwing a piece of paper, it will fly little. थोड़ा सा वो उड़ेगा and then वो थ्रो हो जाएगा, नीचे गिर जाएगा. And it is heavy and but the piece of paper is not heavy. So वो थोड़ा fly करेगा piece of paper, but heavy thing will not fly in the sky. Understand? Like this, birds have hollow bones. Birds के पास hollow bones होती हैं जिसकी help से they can fly. hollow होंगी, अंदर से खाली होंगी, weight नहीं होगा उनकी body का, जिसकी वजह से वो fly कर सकते हैं. So that was about the bones. Birds have hollow bones and very light in weight. Weight नहीं होता है बिल्कुल भी. And then about the muscles. Yes, muscles. Okay, so birds have strong muscles. किस तरह की muscles होती हैं birds की? Birds have strong muscles and which helps them to move wings up and down. Strong muscles होती हैं जिसकी वजह से वो उनकी feathers को up and down जाने में help करती हैं. Okay, कभी वो अपने feathers को up कर रहे हैं और कभी down, up, down. Just because of their muscles, that muscles are strong. Birds have strong muscles and that move wings up and down, and these muscles are known as flight muscles. These muscles are known as flight muscles, which helps them to fly. Flight muscles which helps them to fly. Okay, this was about the shape. I told you shapes look like a boat. Wings I told you. So wings are shaped to create lift. Bones are hollow and muscles. Birds have strong muscles which help them to fly, and these are the flight muscles. And then I will tell you about the tail. Yes, tail helps it to change its direction. Tail क्या करती है? जब भी bird fly कर रहा है, while bird is flying in the sky, it changes its direction. Direction को change करने में, if birds want to go this side and this side and this side, it will help to change its direction. Tail help करती है direction को change करने में कि उसे north में जाना है, east में जाना है, west में जाना है, south में जाना है, इस तरह से. So this was about the tail. Tail helps it to change its direction during the flight, जब वो उड़ने लगते हैं. And yes, now I will tell you about the beak. That is the part of bird's body, beak. Yes, so beak. Birds use their beaks to grab and swallow food. Birds use their beaks to grab and swallow food. Grab means उसको अपने मुंह तक, अंदर तक लेके जाना. Okay, grab, किसी चीज को पकड़ना. And swallow. Swallow means like to make food, drink, anything, food or drink को उसको throat से लेकर stomach तक लेके जाना. Okay, throat, this is throat. Throat से लेकर stomach तक लेके जाना, that is meaning of swallow. So they use their beaks to grab and swallow food. किस तरह की शेप की थी उनकी beak? ये शेप थी beak की, and this. right? This is upper beak and this is lower beak. This one is upper beak and this is lower beak. With the help of beak, they grab and swallow the food. Swallow means like to make food go down from your throat to your stomach. That is swallow. And then I am telling you about the digestive system. Birds have unique digestive system. Birds have unique digestive system, like they have unique digestive system that allows them to eat when they fly and digest later. When they fly and digest later. उनका डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम ऐसा होता है, पहले जब वो फ्लाई कर रहे होते हैं और वो डाइजेस्ट कब करते हैं उसको बाद में करते हैं. दैट सो दे आर हैविंग अ वेरी यूनिक डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. ये सो आज हमने क्लास में क्या सीखा? वी लर्न अबाउट पार्ट्स ऑफ बर्ड्स बॉडी. बर्ड्स कंसिस्ट विंग्स, feathers, eye, tail, legs. Legs means toe and claws, beak. Okay, and what helps a bird to fly? Bird को fly करने के लिए कौन कौन सी चीजें help करती हैं? First is their shape. Bird's shape. Bird's shape is looks like a boat, which help them to float in the sky. Which help them to float in the sky, जिसकी help से वो fly कर सकते हैं sky में. Second is hollow bones. Hollow bones means जो अंदर से बिल्कुल air से filled हैं और कुछ भी नहीं है उनकी bones में. They are just filled with air and which make them light. जिसकी वजह से उनकी body बहुत light होती है. And then they can fly in the sky. And the third is strong muscles. Birds have strong muscles. Strong muscles means their muscles help their wings to fly up and down. ऊपर कभी नीचे, up down, because उसकी जो strong muscles होती हैं उन muscles को क्या कहते हैं? Flight muscles. Those muscles are known as flight muscles. And the last thing is their tail. Their tail helps them to change the direction during the flight. So these things we have learned in this session. So what you have to do is you have to read page number 27 from your book, and that is all for today. We will continue the session. We will continue the chapter in the next session. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.